Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Having opened up your Chrome browser, first thing first, you need to convert your browser from mobile view to desktop view. And for that, go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner right here. Then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to site settings. Go ahead and click on that. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to desktop. Until you get to desktop site. So go ahead and click on desktop site. Then make sure you switch. Then make sure you switch to desktop require view. So go back again. Continue to go back. Continue to go back, and then go ahead and click on search Google or type right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and type in www.jd.com then hit search. And it's going to take you to the official web page of jd.com shopping app right here without any stress. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Starova, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So next thing I'm going to do is to zoom in right here and then come to the top right here, zoom in right here. Here we go. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on login right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead, we make sure and screenshot this part. So I'm going to zoom out right here. So I'm going to go ahead and screenshot this part. Having made a screenshot, I'm going to exit from here now. And I have to go ahead and open up my jd.com app right here. So go ahead and open jd.com app. Having opened up my jd.com shopping app, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on this icon right here from the top. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And the next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you look for the screenshot. I'm going to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. And I'll go ahead and click on allow all. Then I'm going to go ahead and select the screenshot right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on confirm login to computer. Successfully login. So I still have my account right here in the app. Just like what you see, you can see my profile right here. So if I exit from the app right here and I go back to the Chrome fashion right here, to bring out the login page right here, click on any of the products. So let's simply zoom out right here, zoom out and come to the top right. So it's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use JD Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.